Example 6. Find the integral from 0 to 3 times the square root of 3 over 2 of x cubed over open 4x squared plus 9 close to the power 3 over 2 dx. Solution. First we note that open 4x squared plus 9 close to the power 3 over 2 equals open the square root of 4x squared plus 9 close to the power 3. So trigonometric substitution is appropriate. Although the square root of 4x squared plus 9 is not quite one of the expressions in the table of trigonometric substitutions, it becomes one of them if we make the preliminary substitution u equals 2x. When we combine this with the tangent substitution, we have x equals 3 over 2 tangent theta, which gives dx equals 3 over 2 secant squared theta d theta, and the square root of 4x squared plus 9 equals the square root of 9 tangent squared theta plus 9 equals 3 secant theta. When x equals 0, tangent theta equals 0, so theta equals 0. When x equals 3 times the square root of 3 over 2, tangent theta equals the square root of 3, so theta equals pi over 3. The integral from 0 to 3 times the square root of 3 over 2 of x cubed over open 4x squared plus 9 closed to the power 3 over 2 dx equals the integral from 0 to pi over 3 27 over 8 tangent cubed theta over 27 secant cubed theta times 3 over 2 secant squared theta d theta equals 3 over 16 times the integral from 0 to pi over 3 times tangent cube theta, not times, but restarting that line, equals 3 over 16, the integral of 0 from 0 to pi over 3 tangent cube theta over secant theta d theta equals 3 over 16. The integral from 0 to pi over 3 sine cubed theta over cosine squared theta d theta equals 3 over 16. The integral from 0 to pi over 3, 1 minus cosine squared theta over cosine squared theta sine theta d theta. Now we substitute u equals cosine theta so that du equals negative sine theta d theta. When theta equals 0, u equals 1. When theta equals pi over 3, u equals 1/2. Therefore, the integral from 0 to 3 times the square root of 3 over 2 x cubed over 4 x squared plus 9 that is to the power 3 over 2 dx equals negative 3 over 16, the integral from 1 to 1/2, 1 minus u squared over u squared du equals 3 over 16, integral from 1 to 1 over 2, open 1 minus u to the power negative 2, close du equals 3 over 16, open bracket u plus 1 over u, close bracket, on the interval from 1 to 1 over 2 equals 3 over 16, open bracket, open 1/2 plus 2, close, minus, open 1 plus 1, close, close bracket equals 3 over 32. Example 7. Evaluate the integral x over the square root of 3 minus 2x minus x squared dx. Solution: we can transform the integrand into a function for which trigonometric substitution is appropriate by first completing the square under the root sign. 3 minus 2x minus x squared minus, restarting that line. 3 minus 2x minus x squared equals 3 minus open x squared plus 2x closed equals 3 plus 1 minus open x squared plus 2x plus 1 closed equals 4 minus open x plus 1 closed squared. This suggests that we make the substitution u equals x plus 1, then du equals dx, and x equals u minus 1. So the integral from the integral x over the square root of 3 minus 2x plus, restarting this line, the integral x over the square root of 3 minus 2x minus x squared dx equals the integral u minus 1 over the square root of 4 minus u squared du. Sidebar, figure 5 shows the graphs of the integrand in example 7 and its indefinite integral with big C equals 0. Which is which? See figure 5. Back to the text. Now we substitute u equals 2 sine theta, giving du equals 2 cosine theta d theta, and the square root of 4 minus u squared equals 2 cosine theta. So the integral x over the square root of 3 minus 2x minus x squared dx equals the integral 2 sine theta minus 1 over 2 cosine theta times 2 cosine theta d theta. And the integral, open 2 sine theta minus 1, restarting this line, equals the integral, open 2 sine theta minus 1, close d theta, equals 2 cosine, equals, restarting this line, equals negative 2 cosine theta minus theta plus big C, equals negative the square root of 4 minus u squared minus the inverse sine of u over 2 plus big C, equals negative square root of 3 minus 2x minus x squared minus the inverse sine of x plus 1 over 2, close, plus big C. Jeez.